boy. Keep your eyes on the road, you.
Actually, it's this one.
Oh, charming.
Hey, remember to take this rubbish in home. Keeps a tidy card as Barlow. Handy pack screen wipes, not one but two air fresheners, plastic cover on his atlas, and look at his tapes.
He's got tapes.
Check out the glove compartment, alphabetical order.
Oh, you lie.
From back are active.
Wagner, yeah.
Wagner, you dunce, it's German.
Oh, you've done this. There's no way Mr. Barlow's that uptight.
Well, I thought you might appreciate it.
Aid.
Oh, ready? Say cheese.
Have you seen the time?
No, it flies when you're having fun.
Yeah, I have to get back.
Well, there's petrol in the tank.
Well, my mum and Richard are back tonight. They wonder where I am.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
You're the boss.
Aid! We're going too fast.
This is nothing.
Slow down!
Oh, call this fast.
Aidan, there's people about!
I thought you were in a hurry.
If you don't slow down now, I'm getting out!
I'll take the shortcut.
No, don't!
We did, sir! Shut the door! Don't be daft! Shut it now! No! Sarah. Sarah?
Oi! You! Wait! Come back! Come on, come on! Yes, we need an ambulance! Quick! We need it now!
Oh, bug off.
Don't worry, love. The firemen are here now. They're going to get you out as soon as they can. Don't you worry. Just let me get this oxygen on her. The head injuries look serious. Left pupil fixed and dilated. Probably internal bleeding. We've got to get her upright. Quick as you can. Take some of the pressure off her brain.
Keep her in there.
She can't be more than about 14.
Keep her in there, darling, that's it. Look, the only problem you've got with my car is you're not driving it.
Get lost.
It's true.
Nick, how can I break this too gently? Your car screams when midlife crisis.
Yeah, yeah.
It does. It's a step away from growing a ponytail and buying a sunbed.
I don't like the look of this.
Is there someone in there? Oh, hang on, I know this car.
Jeff, radio ahead to A&E, tell Trauma we need him on standby. Another disappearing driver. Stolen tonight, apparently.
Are you sure? That car belongs to my neighbour. I know this girl. Sarah Platt. She lives across the road.
You didn't know she was a twatter?
No way. She's a really nice kid.
Nice kids stay in and do their homework.
How is she?
Alive. Just. A Trauma ready. We're going to need him.
She thinks she is. She is a nice kid.
How well do you know the family?
Oh, don't you start.
I mean, someone's got to tell them. Do you want me to do it?
I'm sorry, Nick. Just a bit...
That's what I mean. Are you going to get upset?
No. I'll do it. It's probably better coming from me, seeing as I know him.
Mr. and Mrs. Hillman, I'm Robert Orme, the neurosurgeon who'll be treating your daughter.
How is she?
Well, we've just done a CT scan and it confirms our suspicions. Sarah has what's called an extradural hemorrhage. That means the impact of the crash has caused a blood vessel to burst in between the skull and the lining of the brain. We need to drain that blood to stop it clotting.
I don't believe this. I hear what you're saying, Doctor, but I just can't take this in.
Is it as serious as it sounds? and a blood clot.
We want to avoid that at all costs.
Can I see it?
We're prepping her for surgery right now. Has someone spoken to you about consent forms?
Yeah, it's all in hand.
The police said head injuries. You're saying brain injuries. Does that mean, well, could she have brain damage?
We haven't ruled it out.
Can I see it before she goes down?
Mrs. Hillman, we need to perform this operation quickly. It is vital to bring down the pressure in the brain.
Or what?
Well, we understand, Doctor.
If you'll excuse me.